Hey guys, day 4, still going with the dismantle. I actually already started some work. I had to cut out a bodgy repair job that the previous owner did, welding the left-hand front fender to the rocker panel, which is great. Yay. Pretty rusted out rocker panel. Yeah, so I'll be taking off the exhaust, fuel tank, and yeah, other little bits and pieces. Enjoy. So today, it's freaking hot, that's why I'm all moist. Got the radiator out, air filter, fuel tank, exhaust, and yeah, reshuffled the garage. So yeah, just keep plodding along, one job at a time. See ya.